बच्चों, let's see this question, and the question says that 30 volume hydrogen peroxide means A 30% hydrogen peroxide by volume, B 30 gram of hydrogen peroxide solution contains 1 gram of hydrogen peroxide, C 1 centimeter cube of solution liberates 30 centimeter cube of dioxygen gas at STP, D 30 centimeter cube of solution contains 1 mole of hydrogen peroxide. So the key concept of the question is amount of dioxygen gas produced. So ये क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग अगर हम देखें तो दिस 30 वॉल्यूम ऑफ hydrogen peroxide means 1 liter of solution 1 liter of solution of hydrogen peroxide produces 30 liters of dioxygen at standard temperature and pressure. Standard temperature and pressure. Temperature and pressure. So this is known as STP, standard temperature and pressure. So this occurs through a reaction. This occurs through a reaction. तो जो रिएक्शन होती है आपका रिएक्शन इज लाइक H2O2 cut broken down into H2O plus O2, that 1 liter of H2O2 produce 30 liters of dioxygen. So this 1 liter can be written as 1000 ml. As we know, 1 लीटर में आपका 1000 ml होते हैं. So हमने मिलीलीटर्स में लिया तो 1000 ml of H2O2 solution produces 30 liters of O2. So आपका 1 ml of H2O2 solution will produce 30 by 1000 liter of O2. So ये जो आपका 30 by 1000 liter है, this can be written as 30 ml of O2. So as we know, वन सेंटीमीटर क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 1 ml. सो हमारा जो स्टेटमेंट फाइंड किया हमने उसको आप सेंटीमीटर क्यूब की फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं, दैट 1 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब ऑफ H2O2 solution means 30 centimeter cube of dioxygen at standard temperature and pressure condition. So यहाँ हम देख सकते हैं that 1 centimeter cube of hydrogen peroxide solution liberates 30 centimeter cube of dioxygen at standard temperature and pressure condition. So correct option is option C. I hope you all understood well. Thank you.